You slapped me.
Yes. And I will slap you again and again. How many times have I told you not to come close to me? Stop disturbing me. I'm not dating somebody around your league. I'm dating somebody higher than you. So you're not in my league. You're not even close. I'm following somebody above your league. By the time you're probably in my league, I should be far gone. Did you get that? Rubbish.
You don't know. You don't know why it's going on.
Today's one, there's nobody in this way. Just relax.
What be this? What be this? Jesus. Blood of Jesus. God have mercy upon us.
Problem you know the finish. Make you try to enjoy.
Okay, we'll do small. Slow.
Jesus!
Easy now. You just want it sharp. What are you doing? My child is still in school.
Sir, stop that thing. Sir, stop that thing. They say you should serve Nigeria. You are coming to serve kpekus. As soon as they do, they spoil Nigerian students.
Did this anything happen yet?
This is what they say you should come and teach us in this school. Teach us English language, sir. You are teaching kpekus. Let me just inform you. I have evidence. This is live. 45 million people viewing it now. Just consider this the last alawi you are receiving, because this you have met your end. This is your end. Bad eggs, spoiling the society, destroying the futures of our future leaders.
And see, you know you're a guy like me.
Don't tell me anything. Tell her. Shay, you told me I'm not in your league. I'm not in your league. This is the league you are playing, La Liga.
See,
keep playing. You will see.
Don't tell me.
Wahala. Problem you know the finish.
God have mercy upon us.
May God not allow them, make them kill you.